we are going to show you how to retrofit a mechanical drywall finishing box to Alpa-Tech's Continuous Flow System. Release the two springs from the posts. Take the door out. Take the rubber gasket off the door. Either put a hole in your door or add the gasket to the door provided with the hole. Set that back in the box. Reattach your springs. With the stops provided, screw in the stop pins. Add the stop provided and the nut provided. If you don't have holes in your side plate, you can drill a 1/8 inch. Pin will slide into it. Attach the screw on this side. Tighten it down. You'll find that the stops the box. You can see that the door can only open halfway, since you don't need a big heavy box any longer. This will eliminate half of the box's weight and over 50% of the boxing effort. You will need a specific airless pump to operate your retrofitted finishing boxes. Running them with the Alpa-Tech Continuous Flow System will increase finishing production up to 400%. Attached to either a pre-2019 Graco Mark V, 2019 to 2024 Mark V Vortex, the new 2025 Mark V XT, the new 2025 Mark IV XT, or the Tritech T15 will give you the required flow rate. To set up the system, attach the inline gun provided to the quarter whip and the 3/8 line to the pump outlet. You can run 3 50-foot lines for a total of 153 feet from the pump and still get your desired flow rate. You already own one of the pumps mentioned. The cost to retrofit your tools could be under $1,700. Then you can run the continuous flow system boxes plus angles over a gallon a minute. For technical support, call Alpa-Tech at 1-800-827-3721.